Welcome back, everybody. I recently picked up a few auction lots. One is all Snap-on items, and one is all Craftsman items. I think all the Craftsman are new old stock. Let's take a look. Okay, the first lot up will be the Craftsman lot. To the door, I paid $58.30. And the first item out of this lot, there's going to be 4 of these cushion grip nut drivers. These are like new old stock. They have the stickers on. There's some sort of residue on the shank, but I'm sure it would polish right off. These are, of course, all US made. This is a 1/4 inch. We also have a 7/16. Next up is 11/32. And the last one is a 5/16. I believe this cushion grip is a little harder to find than the other styles. I would like to complete this set just to keep for myself, if I can find the other sizes in the same condition or close to the same condition. And the next 5 items in here will all be wrenches, all the polished Craftsman USA professional line. And I think they're all new old stock or very close to it. The first one here is a 3/8. The next one is a 5/8. Now this one does have a sticker that's a little worn, so I don't know if this one was used. If it was barely used because it just has like superficial scratching. Otherwise, it's in really nice condition. We also have this 3/4. And then this 13/16. And this one has a little different style sticker on it that wraps around the handle. And depending on what set you bought, 13/16 would have been a larger size. I think the smaller set went up to 3/4. And then the final wrench and the final piece of this lot is a 19mm Craftsman Professional with a sticker. So these are hard to find. Hard to find new old stock in the professional series. And the first item out of this lot is a 1-inch, 3/4 inch drive, 12-point shallow impact socket. Next up is an SX10. This is a 1/2 inch drive, 10-inch long extension. We also have this 3/8 drive, 6-inch long impact extension, and it does have the retaining ring. Then we have a 3/8 by 7/16. This is a spline wrench. This is the XD. I think they call these like their high performance. So it's a very low offset, maybe 15-degree offset box wrench. Next we have a C154. I don't know if that's the case number or if that's actually the set number. It's a set of Allens. These are SAE. The case looks like it's almost brand new. Sorry for all the glare. The case, yeah, like I said, looks brand new. Looks like there's 2 sizes missing. So it won't be too hard to complete the set. Looks like all the Allens are basically new as well. So I can maybe even just order the 2 in new condition and have a brand new set. Next we have probably like a distributor wrench, obstruction wrench. This one's a little different than the ones I've had in the past. This one is in great condition, barely looks used. So something I noticed about this one is actually a 13mm. That's a little unique. Almost every wrench I've ever had like this is an SAE wrench, but this one's actually a 13mm. Our next item is something that sort of caught my eye. It's just a speeder handle, of course. It's a 3/8 drive. It's in really good condition, but this is the reason why it kind of caught my eye. So this actually has like a black hard handle knob on it. Now most of the spinner handles or speed wrenches or speed handles I've had in the past just have a chrome handle. So I thought this one was kind of cool. It does have a newer style logo. I'm not saying it's a new logo, but it's a little bit newer, probably 90s and above. So I thought that was kind of cool. And the last item in this lot is a longer style pin punch set. Now I could see in the photos it was definitely missing that one right there. What I did not see in the photos is that this one is actually ground. So I don't know if they chipped this off and then they just ground it flat again, but it's angled this way, and then of course has that side of it off. Either I wasn't paying attention or they didn't show this, And then after I opened it, I also noticed this one on the end was a little off. As you can see, this one's a different style. The other ones have like a hex body on them, and this one's round. And when I opened up the pouch, I noticed it had a different end on it. And this end is for roll pins, I believe. And that way, that little ball that sticks out centers itself in the roll pin. And that way you can punch it out straight without the punch actually like slipping inside the center of the roll pin, of course. But it also keeps you aligned. But it is a snap-on, so, I guess it's okay that it's a different style punch. So a bit of a smaller tool haul today, but it did have some good quality tools. That's going to be all for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.